重庆
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hey, what's up? It's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I am Joseph Lin, and here comes Hakka punk band Trego with their album Pure Filth, which has been nominated for a Golden Melody Award in Best Hakka Album. Now, the song you're about to hear is called Aimless, or in Hakka, Oi Nyong'e. It expresses the voice of those who struggle hard but are confronted with anger and injustice through screaming vocals, intense guitar, and jazzy drums. The lyrics convey a desire to step back and find new ways to move forward. So let's take a listen to Oi Nyong'e.
나의 삶이 선도지지 건도 태우지 길로 어이 비행기 이상이 침몸이 직각공도 홍해도 어이感受的便宜，记什么？用梦意打消你。爱中做的点起，就会点起。用手快，说得很牛的。
是这次在《纯粹污垢》里面收录的歌曲，也是这次入围金曲最佳客语专辑奖的客家朋克乐团脆垢所带来的歌。他们的团名是来自于客语中的可怜，象征着对无力改变社会不公百姓的同理与关怀。而这首《Oi Nyong'e》透过嘶吼的唱腔，唱出在现实中奋力挣扎却不断受挫者的心声，以及如何再次找回前进的方向。Hope you enjoyed that song by Trego, and I'm Joseph Lin. We will see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.